welcome to IELTS Master. Today we are going to talk about writing task 2, especially writing task 2 where it is about writing the reasons and giving the effects like the causes and solutions, that kind of essays. How to write an introduction by which you will get a good band score. There are several things on which you should notice while writing the introduction. Sometimes you have to see whether it is over length or maybe sometimes it is under length. Sometimes you are just having paraphrases, you are just using synonyms and so on. So today I am going to give you an example and how exactly paraphrasing is done, or sometimes the general lines are paraphrased, the question statements are paraphrased and it is written in the introduction. The question is, these days, increasing number of overweight children in urban areas is a huge problem. What are its reasons? What are its effects on the country? First, when you are seeing the question, you mark certain words and then you try to think about the synonym, or maybe you try to write down the synonyms on the question paper itself. So here we can see that there is a term these days. So these days can be changed into nowadays. Next, increasing number. This can be paraphrased into rising number. Next, they are talking about overweight children. So about overweight children, you can say obese children. Then they're talking about urban areas. Urban areas, cities, it can be the good paraphrase. Now while writing the introduction, you do not only just paraphrase the words and write a sentence. You also try to write the things which are asked in the question statement. That is, what are its reasons and what are its effects on the country? So, for this you can just write simple lines. It can be like this. This essay will delve into its reasons, or you can write its causes, and cast light on its effects on the country. So you can write this line whenever you are writing any IELTS task 2 regarding reasons and effects or causes and effects essays. When you are about to start your general lines, you can write 1 or 2 word phrases like this. You can start with, it goes beyond doubt that, or you can start with this, that there is not even a shadow of doubt that. So if you're putting all this together, we will get an introduction which will sound somewhat like this. It goes beyond doubt that nowadays rising number of obese children in cities is a mammoth problem. This essay will delve into its reasons and cast light on its effects on the country. So that's it for today. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video.